So, hello beautiful people. Welcome to another round of me trying to improve myself in programming. In this round we will be doing 5 minutes of typing exercise where I'm trying to improve, since I have a new keyboard and I can't really type. And then we will have a 30 minutes of me going through Spring tutorial. I do XML configuration. I know. It's not used anymore. But I like the tutorial, and they explain some basic concept of the dependency injection and how it works in the Spring itself. So I will go through that one, and I track the progress of my typing. So you can see the error rate is going down slowly but surely. And well, the VPM is wacky last few days, but the main metric is this anyway. We are focusing on reducing the errors. So without further ado, let's get into it. Run. Oh, come on. What do you... Well, like, I have heard and read on the internet that it is very common to have like imposter syndrome, you know, and feel really bad about yourself between programmers. So if that ever like happens to you, what do you do? Like how do you cope with it? What is your mechanism? Or what you would say to someone who is going through that? Let's say you have a junior developer on your team. What is your opinion? You know, like how it should be handled. I'm here probably alone again. That's okay. T. God damn it. Well, that. You know what? After this round, I will do some Code of Clash of Codes. I haven't done it for a while. $4.32, that's good. A few seconds left. Okay, so the next thing is to go through the spring tutorial. Okay, start the timer. Oh, I know what I was doing. So, what I'm trying to do here is in the beans definition, the order of the arguments. So you have a 4 and 2. It takes two different types. Yeah. Let's do it. Hey, Swarm. 6 hours? Oh, well, yeah. Looks like it. I started a little bit earlier today. How are you? Am I muted? No. Good. So we have the constructor in it, and then a little stressful. How come? Yeah, it's getting closer and closer, right? Here is Friday already for 1 hour. Yeah, Dario said it for me after I was being whiny bitch again. Yes, I did. Once. We also had a tea session for 8,000 points, so it took like half an hour. What am I doing? Oh yeah. So I won't define the beans. Come on. Insert. What is... Sometimes I don't know what is happening. Bean, and ID will be foo1. Class will be the tutorials point dependency Jackson foo1. That's enough. Now we'll change this to foo2. There we go. And now we'll constructor inject it into another bean, which will be bean ID will be what is multiple. Okay, so multi class is tutorials dependency Egyptian mul. Oh fuck, mul. Here we go. Now here we have a constructor arc, and now the important is to have the order, right? Are you serious, dude? Like seriously? $20? Is that a mistake? Did you meant to send $2? Twitch TV refused to connect. What the fuck? There's a gifted sub. Thank you so much, Dario. You're crazy. Well, thank you. Yes. And I think there is still... This means... You're jealous of the star. Yes. That's because you gifted. And this is for how many first? I think this is for first 15 or something like that. Oh, yeah, I have to create another one. I was thinking this is kind of nice, but I will change it to have like half white, half blue, you know, like the same as my icon. Yes, so I think I will change. I might change it or add it. I don't know. We'll see. It lets me to have only one tier 1 emote, because you know it's somehow like the more subscribers you have, the more emotes you can have, I think. The first time when someone did this, I was really confused. Like, what the hell? Why the glasses are there? So this should work, I think. Yeah, I don't know. You can like somehow modify those icons, and I don't know how, but the guys are doing it. And he's like, I don't know how he's doing it. Isn't it like one of the like the modify single mode? Is that one? Ah, that's the one. Ah, I see. Okay, so back here. The main app will ask for thinking management. Yes. Shut up and take my place. Context. Get the how it was what's called multi. Multi, and we will cast it to this guy, and then yes, like so, and okay, we have that is a private, so here we'll say one will have a, it has a print, okay, so here we say public click void print takes nothing, and we will like this one print, and this, come on, this. Oh shit. How can I how is it possible that if I want to type this, I type shit? I was like, okay, well, whatever. Go to print. Is this necessary? The keyword this, I mean. No, it's not. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. The auto incorrect does not actually fix it. No, I don't have auto incorrect in here. Pum 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 pum. I also thinking this should be in the corner. It will be visually more pleasing, like so. Isn't it? It looks like she's looking at the code, you know, right now. She's like, I could like, you know, look like, hey girl. Does it work? Does it work? Like, hey you here, down there, like. Oh boy. Okay. Multi dot print. There you go. Let's see if that works. One, two. Okay, cool. So that works. And now they are saying that it is important for order of the arguments, right? So if we go to bean specification and we'll move them around, I run it, it should have an error. It fucking works. That was a little bit unexpected. It works, but in the tutorial they said resolve this ambiguity. The order which the constructor arguments are defined in a bean definition is the order in which those arguments are supplied to the appropriate constructor. Consider the following class. Okay, I can move them around. It kind of. Let us check one more case where we pass different types to the constructor. Okay, but those are different types. This is bar and this is bus. Javelin string. Oh, interesting. We can feed it. Okay. So I will put in another stuff. Then we will go to the main. No. It was the multiple constructor, and we will have a private Ryan string name, and we will have a private string name too. Well, first of all, I will try the easy way, int number. I'll put it in here, or I will create a constructor, generate a constructor. Constructor, all of those fields. Here we go. How come this is like saying it's not used? Huh? So did I break it now? If I have a multiple constructors, still works. Okay, so if I go to beans, and we had another thing, right? Constructor arc, and here we have a type int value will be equal to this. Does it have to be in quotes? Apparently. Okay, and then constructor arcs, and this will be type Java length string value will be arm collective and now I'll try to run it and see if it blows up. Oh, well, I should also print it out, and I want to print it out. So this number, so print this. Well, I don't have to say this name, right? Okay, and now I run it. Oh, 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 problem. It should be here. You know? There we go. The freeze form corrective. Okay, so that kind of works. How much is $20? Oh wow, that's nice. Thank you one more time. Do appreciate it. Okay, so what if I have two same types, like two strings, right? So let's say here we'll have a string whatever. Oh, the people here are like so nice to me. String I have no idea, and we will structure all of those. So many nice people on Twitch, yeah. It is a very nice community, I would say, here. I'm still surprised, like the people which come to chat, like the other people on the channels, you know, like it's you know, it's I don't know what to say. And in the multiple, in the print method, we'll have a change this a little bit. Say name. Oh, come on. Last name, yes. Bam, and this will be. I don't like this. For some reason I don't like this. It will be string. Okay. Select all. There we go. Here we will replace. Now here. S name. String. Okay, good. And now if I run it, it might actually. Okay, so name is one, call it Sparkle. If a string is Deruccio, what if I switch those around? Right. So name is Swarm. If I run it now, name, yes. Okay. So if it can find the type, you know, it doesn't matter like the order in which you put it in. But if you have the same types in it, then it's like takes the order in which they are injected into the constructor. Yeah, cool. So that was the constructor thingy, and there was the setter-based dependency injection. So how do you do that? So we have spell checking. Here you have just... Okay, I need to read it. So create thing, text editor, that is a spell checker, and we have the setter here. Here we have a getter as well, okay. We have the spell check. Okay, cool. We don't have the constructor in here. And spell checker is the same thingy. And then we have the main thing. Okay, so I think I know what will happen in here, and that is first we go to main app, and so we don't use this thing. We'll have just, it says now inside spell check, which is text editor. So inside text editor constructor. That is weird. It doesn't use it. What the hell? Oh, it does. It does. Look, we have a that, and we will have a change inside that, and this will be text editor constructor. That's what I want, and then spell checker change. Oh, come on, change inside this spell checker constructor. There we go. Now if I run it, it might be a little bit better visible. Okay, so the spell checker constructor tech. Oh, interesting. The spell checker is called first. Hello, Lemon Soul Jane. Welcome to the channel. Haven't seen you here yet, or at least in a chat. How are you doing today? Where are you learning JS? It's been... Okay, so currently I'm not learning JavaScript, I'm learning Java. Java and JavaScript are different languages, but saying that, I have learned... Don't worry about it at all. It is an often mistake, and even the recruiters happens to not know the difference it happened to me that I have spoken to recruiters which did not know that those are two separate things. So now you know more than someone who already works in the field, which is nice, right? And thank you for the follow. So where I do learn the JavaScript, or where I did learn the JavaScript, is few of those pages. The JavaScript, I liked this tutorial. This one is nice, which I liked. Also, I liked yes, true. And the other one was the We Free Schools and tutorials point usually have like also nice nice things. And tutorial, okay, tutorialspoint.com script. This might be also something which this site is for free. I usually prefer their content. It is like well explained, or at least I kind of am able to digest it. And there is one site which I did like very much. It is like it is paid, but like the first month I think is for free, which might be good for you. And in here you can, there is a JavaScript too. Where is it? Okay, so there is more, but I don't. And there you have like this you know, like you have these short chunks, you know, like start interactive lesson, you know, and then it guides you through like really small pieces, you know. It tells you something, then you will run the code. It will explain to you exactly what even this tiny thing does, and then it asks you a question immediately. It asks you a question. So let's say here it is like user name Dalile and user toString, and after this lesson I will know that it will do object like this, you know, and it is the right answer. So you can give it a go here too. I did like it. I did pay for it for like half of year. But as I said, the first month is free, and if you are really like intensively like learning the JavaScript, you might like it. It also has like spaced repetition, so if you answer some questions perfectly, it will not ask you again. If you fail at something, it will ask you more often about that, so it will stick in your head. And you are very welcome. And I will continue in my learning. We have still 5 minutes left on the clock, so let's go. You need to check the name convention. Don't worry. I'm just glad that I'm useful from time to time, so the pleasure is on my side. Need to check naming convention. So what he did? He creates. Here is the setter and getter, no constructor. Okay, so we will do the same thing. We'll go to our text editor, and inside of there we will delete this, well, comment it out, and we will create a getter and setter for this spell check. Okay, spell checker. So we have that, right? So what is different in here more? So you have a setter and getter, and now what he's doing. The spell checker is the same thing. It is. We have the spell checker method and spell check. So that we have. And in the main, we just created. We ask the context to get the bean, we cast it, and we call the method, which I have to here. That is in the main app. So we have that in here. And then here comes the meat. Here's the main thing. And instead of the constructor, here it says property. So if I go to our configuration file, beans XML, we don't need, well, I will keep this in here right now, but it's not needed, right? So previously we did the constructor injection. Missing constructor found in text directory. It even says it that there's a problem, right? So if I run it right now, we'll get some error, and the error says this main app here. Like, here's the problem. We are trying to create a thing. Oh, power mode. Okay. So we will turn on the power mode. No. Oh, come on. It was toggle power. Toggle power mode. Here we go. We are in the power mode. And basically what they want us to do is to change this to this. We say property, bam, spell checker. Here we go, like that. Why is it red? Must specify. Oh, I'm sorry. So the name is spell checker. Is it? Well, let's see the text editor. It is spell checker. It is spell checker, and now we need the reference. Reference is spell checker, but that is the name of the bean ID, right? So that is, yes, it is spell checker bean name. So now that we see that it's different. Okay, and now if I run it, it should work. Cool. So that was pretty easy, wasn't it? So we did that. Is there something like different? Using p namespace. So I didn't name. Okay, so we'll read that. And oh, I forgot to start the power thingy. Well, this kind of concludes this round, the 6th round, and I feel like we can do some fun coding, right? So I will save where the progress is. So I will save this to my notes. Do the learning, and we will continue in here. Yep, and in here I will say that we will continue. Well, I'll say I did something but check the entire lesson. Okay, cool. Here we go. I can save it. Finish this round, and we'll punish this. Hydrate. Cheers, Dario. This means hydrate is done. And we will do some Clash of Code. What was it? What was it? Cheers every time you want a self-reminder. Yeah, it's a good reminder. Sometimes it happens to me like quite often that my head starts hurt and I was like, why? And then I remember that I was not drinking. I even like one time I have problems with that. Like when I was on a university, once I was like studying and working, you know, and I completely forgot about everything, and it was a really hot summer, and yeah, I was escorted to hospital after a few days because I was dehydrated. I just forgot. Yeah, so I bought a bottle. This one. Well, it was red, but I kind of crushed it like some time ago by accident. Well, by accident. It was like unbelievable story what happened to me. You know, like I was on the summer camp like 22 years ago for kids summer camp, right? And I met a girl which was on the summer camp with me, and she did recognize me, and we spent only a week together in there, and she did recognize me after all that time, and she had even like the photo proof, like she had a picture of me and her like on that summer camp. I was like, oh. I was so surprised that I dropped everything and I crushed my water bottle. How is that page called? Coding game. Okay. So we will do some coding game. I'll have a look on this. They say you should have this in. Coding made for fun. Update information. I might appear here a little bit. Check out puzzle. No. 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 Someone is following me? I'll be waiting outside. That sounds dangerous. Puzzle of the week. 30 days ago. You can almost say that is a month ago. So coding game, and we will do not register. Where is it? No, it was like, where is it? There was a Clash of Code or something, right? It's not in here. Is it in here? Compete. Clash of Code, here we go. 5 minutes coding battle, that's kind of fast, isn't it? Like, where did it go? There was a like... Clash of Codes. Just 5 minutes. I thought it's like longer. Okay, so I will prepare my environment. I'll open the Java playground. Here we go. In this window, yes, please. Okay, now there is this file which I synchronized with the page. Cool. I'll close this. Now, how many projects do I have open? Too much. Timer, I will close too. Then we don't need this. Okay, cool. And we'll go here and we'll join a clash. Oh, I've seen this one. I usually get beaten really badly in this game. And dark. Reload. Join. Fastest. Okay. So string. Accept capital letters. What? What? Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is now synchronized and we still have that. So we get the line, we do S2 char array chars for each char C in chars. We do if this will be C dot come on change inside here, so the character is uppercase C, then we will output it. Okay, save. We will see if that works. So the tests are running. Success. 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 Okay, submit. And okay, 2 minutes. Oh, he beat me like. This one was fast. And he beat me like few seconds. There was a few seconds even before that. Okay. So this is my. He shared his code. Well, this is nothing fancy about this one, right? So we can do another one. Oh, here we go. Now, download the code. Is a spy. Oh my god, that each character in the text is replaced by the letter 13 places further along in the alphabet, dropping back to the beginning of Nessus. Because of the alphabet has 26 characters. Root 13 is on inverse, which means the same cipher can be used for decoding. Okay. Okay. So we have this, and we will do the same thing. We will do T to char array, put it into chars for each of those. Char C in chars, and I want to toggle the power mode. Here we go. Chars, we do what? We do sound, it will be int C plus or minus 13 character character this needs to be like that, and then we say char like that, maybe. Or char like so. That should be okay. And then and this. And maybe it will run. Failure found. What the fuck? Oh, I see. Because it should wrap around, right? Dun, dun, dun. Uh, 24. There's a 26, so that is 52. So modulo 52. That's ugly code. That is ugly code. That is ugly code. Ugly code. Ugly code. Oh fuck, that doesn't. That doesn't work. Doesn't work. Isn't that wonderful? Isn't that wonderful? Why is here the question mark? Huh? What? What? See, it works perfectly. Well, we can try. I did like this. Java. -10, it should be, or +10 is that, okay. Then we have this garbage in it, okay, cool. So 26 you're saying. Yeah. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. Someone finished it, of course. What is it, Haskell? So it takes 65 plus 13 minus 65. So CS13 subtract 65. Oh, C++. I haven't seen C++ here for a long time. This one is here all the time. This two. I think this one also. Okay, download the code. No? What the hell? Oh, I see. That is the... Oh, come on. Come on. Change inside that. Yes. Power. And it will be a... What the hell? Oh. Okay. So this okay. 2, 3, that's 4. 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, this is 2 times 2. Okay, so that works, and this will be 5 times. Yes, okay. That's what is going on in here. This one. So just go. Python, that's kind of like quick. I forgot this. Go. Come on. Come on. Okay, good. Hmm. I think I will go sleep in a bit. There's too much stuff to learn. Too much stuff. Oh really? Oh wow. I was thinking maybe I should like split it, you know, like to do 4 hours in the morning and then 4 hours like during the evening. Maybe, you know, like sometimes it's good like just to step away. Kind of. Maybe. I was like outside today, like I saw like the daylight, and I was surprised that like most of the people don't wear masks. I guess no one cares anymore. With the lowest code size, oh fuck me, with Java, really? Oh fuck. Okay, so that works. Now we can make it. Yeah, that happens. We can make it like shorter somehow. So we can inline this. It's 1. Then we can inline this. That's 2. Oh, that's bullcrap, right? That's like not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for shorten this. Is there like stitch gap, stream, no, string? What am I doing in here? I don't even know. What am I? Binary string and some of the, well, some of digits, Java. But that, no, fuck you, no. Here it is. String value of chars. Get numeric value sum. Oh, that's the thing which I was looking for. So we'll try that. So we say string value of oh fuck, I did. I will learn lambdas a little bit. So string value of x chars. Here we go. Character get value of, what was it? Value, get numeric value. Get numeric value. Sum. Okay. And eat. least. Oh fuck, doesn't work. Oh, okay. That works. No. Not 6. Expected 4. What? So, binary string. Maybe I could do binary string x, and then we do char. So here we go. And the character get numeric value dot sum. Here we go. All of this will live in here. What's the problem in here? Chars. Okay. I see. This could work, maybe. Nice. So I'm learning lambdas. That's good. Okay, so it will be, I don't need this, this. And now we will inline this, and inline this. Now it's horrible. This should work too, and I have 222. Oh, Java is pretty verbose. But really what is good about this is that I was able to do the lambdas, well, sort of. Well, this still would make sense to me to inline it. But for the rest, nah. This uses the scanner, okay. Charles map. Okay. This kind of works. I'll submit this. Hopefully someone will. Well, it's like not many people are using Java in here for obvious reasons. Share. 240 Python. Sum up, and yeah, it's really short in there. I think this will be my last one. And oh fuck, I did complete this, right? Yes, I did. Okay, good. Goody. Whisper, quiet, silent, linear, switch.
If you think about mechanical keyboards, there is a good chance that you're filming, I hope, some very impressive wobble. It doesn't feel scratchy at all, which surprised me quite a bit. Of course, this is the travel distance of the but the Gazoo Boba if as is. And that is our review of the Gazoo.
That's really quiet. Okay. What? And what is it, like on one line it should be, or how does it? What? Oh, of course. 3, what? Oh, that is because... What? Squares between and including. Yeah, but what is the input? Fucking same. Come on. There you go. 1, 9, 10, 25. Expected to... The count of squares. Ah, okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I see. See, I completely... Like so, and then I'll do if is so that is expected to, but oh, it says 36. It's not good. Okay, so this is how you would do it. Oh, this bullshit. Move. No. Yeah, I think I'm done. I'm kinda done. Yeah, I'll just submit this. Swarm was right. I'm looking into this for a long time. So I will have a look on the other guys if they. Oh, Java. I need it. Is perfect. Oh, so he iterates over the numbers between A and B and is perfect if x greater than 0. Square root of temporary. And then he return. Okay. I see. There's a lot of math operations in here. So, you know, maybe I like my solution more. Because I don't have to search for square root of the things. Learn C, Python, JavaScript. Is square. Okay. Well. Okay. Well, we will find someone to rate. To be nice people. Oh, on his own. Oh, I can rate him then. Oh, thank you. It was my pleasure. Thank you for spending the time here with me. I do appreciate it.
Because you're in a sec, I'm learning gardens.
I will be looking for seeing you next time.
I don't know this one. Class.
Yeah, hopefully I will.
Sometimes
Hopefully
you can do
I will.
basic modals or something
The
like
last
this.
few
Exactly.
months. I have some problems with sleeping. Okay, so have a nice day. Once again, thank you for the donation. That's awesome.
Set up the modal.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
React stuff. Handle click. Okay, so we're in a component. The class you're making your component from is here.
Oh,
constructor
okay.
props.
So next time.
Handle click.
Okay.
So I want to make, and I could do this a hacky, or not a hacky way, but like a kind of direct way, but on, well,